Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to easily adjust your focus or brightness exposure on your iPhone when you're taking photos. Super easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so I'm going to open up my camera app. And as you can see, we've got Kenai the dog sitting here in the sun, and I want to take a photo of her. So what I can do is I can actually just tap the screen, and as you can see, we get that little yellow box that shows up, and that is going to allow the phone to indicate this is where we want the focal point to be. Let's say I wanted it in another area, like maybe that vent over there, then what I can do is just, again, tapping once, it lets the camera and lens auto adjust to that specific area. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is adjust the brightness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on Kenai the dog, and then I'm going to grab that little bar that's over there on the right of the box. It looks like a little bright light. I'm going to tap and hold, and then I can move up and down on the screen and automatically adjust that brightness simply by moving my finger up and down. Again, you can see we can go really bright, or we can go a little bit darker down here to adjust for all that sun that's coming in through the window. Once I have the right brightness set, I can then release, and now we're ready to snap our photo. All right, there we go. Again, not the greatest example. Obviously, there's a lot of contrast with this specific picture, but that gives you the basic idea of how to use those quick features. Friends, I hope this has helped. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? Let us know we're making helpful videos. And subscribe, because we have a bunch more secret iPhone tips, tricks, and videos that are coming out really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.